There's a big world out there. I'm hearing all this stuff about Bitcoin and crypto. I don't have a clue about all that stuff.
Start your own coin, didn't you?
I'm not into the coin business. I like assets, solid assets.
It's good, people. Welcome back to the Crypto Jigging channel. I'm your host, Big J, and today, man's wearing my spectacles and that. You get me? I'm wearing spectacles. You see it? No, I'm only joking. But anyway, today is going to be another car journey. Because as you lot can see, I haven't got my trusty mic with me, you know, to record properly. But we're still going to get these videos out because I can see you lot still commenting. You lot still want me to put videos out, so we'll make it happen, man. We gonna make it happen. Damn, this guy trying to blind my eyes, bro. Anyway, so let me get moving. I've got places to be. But as you guys saw from the start of the video, Anthony Joshua is actually talking about crypto. He mentioned Bitcoin, notably, which is probably the biggest one there is, the one that everyone seems to know about. And as you can actually see what's going on in the whole cryptosphere, the crypto universe, once Bitcoin does well, everything else does well. And at the moment, Bitcoin is not really doing too well. And Bitcoin's dropping, so everything else is dropping. So the fact that Anthony Joshua is talking about it, I think it's something big. So once we have a lot more mainstream celebrities, right, talking about crypto, all that's going to do is encourage more media, and news outlets to talk about crypto in a more positive light. Because at the moment, crypto is not really spoken about in a positive light. So whenever you see they put up anything to do with crypto, unless it's like a crypto-based news reporting, you know, station or oh lady. Sorry, we both got spectacles, man. I'll let you go. Anyway, so unless it's like a specifically crypto-based journalist, I'm just making up a big word now. Unless it's like a crypto newspaper or website, they're not really going to talk about crypto in a positive light. They're not going to be bullish about it. So the fact that Anthony Joshua is talking about it means that at some point, I think we're going to see a lot more celebrities getting into crypto. We're going to have athletes talking about crypto, and as we know, crypto market cap actually grew. The entire thing actually grew about 1%. So I think it's a good look. I think it's a very, very, very good look. I think keep an eye on all the cryptocurrencies that I've mentioned to you guys before. As you guys see, they're all going up. They're all literally going up. But yeah, so this is just a quick video, and you guys know what's been happening with this mainstream media, because you know there's a lot of talks going on with the SEC and other stuff regarding crypto, and they want to put sanctions on it, and whether it should be banned, you know, China banning it. Anyway, there's a whole load of things going on with crypto. So I just want to make a quick video just to let you guys know. Still be bullish on crypto. We're probably entering the bear market somewhere in the next few weeks, because as we know, anywhere around Christmas, Christmas at the start of the year, the market always has a downtrend. That's for obvious reasons, you know, people taking profits, they want to buy stuff. It might be the financial year for some countries. They want to take out the money they've earned from crypto, acquire some assets. There's a lot of things they might want to do with that money, and also people want to spend time with their family as well. So naturally, the market's going to be a little bit down because the volume of trade is going to decrease. So guys, also I want you guys to keep an eye on this crypto called Everlens. So I've known about it for a little while, been keeping an eye on it. The whole point of what they do is NFTs, but they're doing NFTs to do with social media, notably Instagram. They want to move on to TikTok next year if you have a look at their roadmap. A shout out to Mr. Crypto with James. He's the one I actually got that one from one of his YouTube videos. But yeah guys, it's been your boy Big J. I should soon return to uploading videos normally, and you know, I have my mic, my trusty mic. I can make my pop-in sounds and all that, but at the moment too busy to do it. So hope you don't enjoy this. It's been your boy Big J. Make sure you like, share, comment and subscribe, and remember, it's in the sauce. Just buy the dip.